front of me is POCO F6 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency numbers. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Safety and Emergency. Then tap on Emergency Contacts. Select Add Contact and tap on the one that you wish to add. Then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. To change order of your contacts, hit Reorder at the top right corner. Switch places of them by holding the chosen one and dragging it. And to save your new order, hit Save at the top right corner. Now to remove one of your contacts, use this X next to the one that you wish to remove and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!